In this video, I'll show you how to install n8n on Render. Alright, so I'm going to assume you are signed into both Render and GitHub for this video. Do that first and then let's get started. So here on GitHub, what we want to do is we want to go to the search bar on the top right, and then we're going to search for n8n. Now what we need to do is create our own fork here on the little drop down, then just click on create a new fork. I'm not going to have the master branch ticked because I'm not actually going to use this, but generally I would leave that ticked. And then you want to click on create a fork and let that do its thing. Cool. When it's done, let's jump over to Render. So here we are on the Render dashboard on the projects section, and if you don't have the add new button over here, just click on the new button on the top here, and then you can just say web service. Now we need to connect our GitHub, so let's click on it here, and then we just need to authorize, and we can hit install. And now you can see our fork over here, and from this screen you can set everything up to your liking. If you are using the free version, just tick on free over here. If you do plan on using the paid versions, you have options over here. When you're ready, just deploy web service. And then that will begin building. Now I'm going to cancel my deployment, as again, I'm not going to use this. But that is all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.